Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress in your PC on Windows 11. So let's go. At first, you have to download XAMPP. Just go here and type XAMPP. Go for the download. Click here the latest version and it will actually start downloading. I have already downloaded it and installed it in my PC. If I show you, here you can see XAMPP, right? So what I have to do, you have to actually open control panel. That's it. And then you need two things. You have to start Apache and MySQL, both server. So let's say you have installed XAMPP in your PC. And then what you have to say, you have to actually set here environment variable. Type here env and hit enter or just click here. And then click here environment variables. Go path under system variables. Click here edit. And you have to actually set here PHP path. I have already added it, but you have to actually add it. So let's go to the drive where you have installed XAMPP. In this case, I have installed it in C drive. Here you will find a folder XAMPP. So just go inside XAMPP and go for the PHP folder. PHP, and here you will find php.exe. So just copy this path. Okay. Click here in the address bar and copy this path and go to the system variable. Then click here new and add it. So I have already added this. So I'm not going to add it once again. Just click here delete. So I have already this. You just have to add it and then click here OK, done. Okay. So you have set the environment variable, right? Now you can access PHP version anywhere in the PC. So I'm opening CMD here and I will say here PHP-V to check the version. Here you can see current version. Now what I need is I have to download WordPress. So let's go. Type here WordPress org download. Hit enter and here you can see. Just click here first link download or wordpress.org and go here and download the latest version. I already have this. I already downloaded this. So I'm not going to download it once again because it will take too much time. Now I'm assuming that you have downloaded it. So what I have to do, here you can see I have this folder. Just unzip it, okay? Click here extract all. Extract. Done. So we have unzipped it. Now if I double click on it and here you can see we have all the file. So this is WP content and here we have all the things related to WordPress. So we have to copy all the file inside it. So just press Ctrl A then Ctrl plus C to copy all the things and go to the XAMPP then htdocs. And here let's say you want to create WordPress project. So let's give it a name. Let's say test WordPress. Hit enter. Go inside the folder. Paste everything by pressing Ctrl plus V. So guys, here you can see we have successfully pasted all the things here. Now we have to go to the XAMPP control panel. So type here XAMPP and just open the control panel and you will find something like this. And now we have to open Apache server and MySQL both because we need the database also. Okay, fine. Here you can see we have start and we got the ports, right? So let's go to the browser. Keep in mind the project name. So let me show you. We don't have to actually remember this. Just go to the browser and say here localhost. Hit enter. You just have to say here slash and then hit enter. And this is our PHP project and this is the WordPress. So just click here test the WordPress and it will actually took you to the installation page. Before that, we have to actually create the database also for this project. So we have to go for the localhost /phpMyAdmin. Hit enter. Now here we are going to create a new database and we'll say it test WordPress -db. Sorry, _db. Okay. Then click here create and here you can see this is our database and we have nothing here, right? But if we go for the installation, click here English, continue, let's go. And now we have to give the database name. We have create and that is test WordPress _db. Go for the username and that is root by default. Password is null. You cannot give here space also. Then keep everything as it is. Just click here submit. And now you have to check it around the installation. Click here. And now you have to give the site title. Let's say my first WP site. Then username, you have to give a username. In this case, I'm going to give it admin. Then you have to give a password. I'm going to give it a weak password because I'm not going to launch it in live. So now I will just check it, confirm password. Otherwise it will not let me install WordPress, right? Now you can actually give your email. So I'm going to give it dummy email here. So in your case, you may actually give here your original email. Why? Because let's say you create your serious project, but now you have given here a random Gmail and you need to actually change the password and everything. Then you cannot actually do this. So what you have to do, you have to actually give here your own email, and that is obviously authentic. Okay, but I'll not use this as my portfolio or anything. So I'm going to give here a dumb email because I don't have to actually change anything. That's it. Now click here install WordPress. And here you can see success. So now we can actually log in. Here my username was admin and password was 123. And if I click here login, it will actually take me to the WordPress dashboard. Here I can see dashboard. Now if I hover on it and right click on the visit site, so this is our site. And we have here, if I go to the appearance and themes, here you can see we have a bunch of different themes here. Now if you want to add themes, you can click here. If now let's say you have all the themes here, so you want to delete all of them except the first one. So what you have to do, you have to go to the folder, this PC, then XAMPP, then htdocs, then your project, then WP content, then themes, and from here you can actually delete everything except the first one, and that is the 25. So let's remove 23, 24, delete all of them. And here you can see we have index.php. Don't remove this because WordPress will go for this file index.php. If it is not, then WordPress can understand that okay, this is a theme. Okay, so don't delete this. Now if I refresh here, you can see there will be only one theme. Here you can see. Now you can install plugin also. Just click here add plugin. Okay, and now you can download any plugin according to your needs. Okay, so fine. Now we have everything. Now we have settings also, and here from here you can actually change the site title also. Site title is basically this one, my first website, right? So you can actually say here that hello WP. It's up to you actually. Okay, that's it. Now you can give here site icon. Here you can see this is the site icon of PHP MyAdmin, right? Localhost PHP MyAdmin, and we have no site icon. So you can actually give here site icon. So I've just shown you only the installation process. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.